Shalom, Yahweh Bashim Shab, Brakfa Bashim Kakadash, double honors to the elders and apostles, great most honored well. Shalom to the elect of Israel. As it says, heavy snow is forecast to batter the UK at the start of next month. Snow maps show UK to be hit by 2 blizzards with 10 centimeter per hour falling. A sudden stratospheric warming event is set to bring freezing temperatures and several centimeters of snow to the UK in the next week, with 2 blizzards forecast to hit. Brits have been warned of 2 mega blizzards, set to batter the country in the coming days as the temperatures are set to plummet. Weather forecasters say a cold snap is set to batter the nation at the start of next month as a result of a sudden stratospheric warming event. Yeah. So storm is coming to the UK apparently. So we're gonna have to wrap up, man. Keep warm, be protected for your health. No, this is elements from the Lord, and elements from the Lord can also be used as a judgment unto people, man. So fear the Lord. The Lord can take out people just from blizzards alone. Imagine the homeless people. You know, the Lord's looking to take out people in any form or fashion, man. That's why you got to fear the Lord. Yeah. A blizzard's no joke. A blizzard's no joke at all. You can freeze to death, get sickness and ill, and all manner of things. We get scriptures. Isaiah 29:6. Thou shalt be visited of the Lord of hosts with thunder and with earthquake and great noise, with storm and tempest and the flame of a devouring fire. So the Lord is using the elements again to judge the people, man. A blizzard is basically a storm, a snowy, icy storm and tempest. You know? Psalms 83 verse 14. As the fire burneth with wood, as the flame setteth the mountains on fire, so persecute them with thy tempest, and make them afraid with thy storm. Fill their faces with shame, that they may seek thy name, O Lord. Yeah. How many people that are going to get judged are going to fear the Lord? Right? Don't be surprised when things happen, when the elements start getting crazier and crazier. People are going to start saying, oh my God, this is a destruction of biblical proportion or stuff like that. But still, are the people of the world, are they going to bow down to Yahweh Shemishai? Most likely not, man. Only the elect are going to do that. Only the elect are going to fear the Lord. Let them be confounded and troubled forever. Yea, let them be put to shame and perish. They're going to die, man. Yeah. People already died. Multiple people have been taken out. The death toll keeps increasing when it comes to the earthquakes in Syria and Turkey, man. Yeah. The Lord is just adding more to the fuel to the fire, man, with different elements, different judgments. But men may know that thou, whose name alone is Yahweh. Yeah, that's the true name of the Lord, Yahweh. There's no J in the Hebrew. Or V's either. It'll be pronounced Yahweh. Are the Most High over all the earth. And that's right, man. And with that, we'll praise Yahweh, Shemishah, B'Shem Kakadash, Shalom.